What's up guys? In this video, I will be talking about the opportunities and the challenges of investing in Web 3.0. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, so this is Simply Learn website. It's a good place to get articles on what you want to know about this. What is Web 3.0? So Web 3.0 describes the next evolution of the World Wide Web. The user interface provides access to documents, applications, and multimedia on the internet. So you could also get more information, like in-depth information on what is Web 3.0 in this article. But the one that I gave you is basically the summary on what Web 3.0 really is, right? So the two things that I like the most about Web 3.0, guys, number one is data ownership, which means that on Web 3.0, you'll be able to interact with apps and communities through your wallet. And when you log off, you'll take that data with you. Right? So that's good because you don't leave it on the internet for everyone to feast on, right? So when you log off, everything is removed. It's everything, you bring everything with you. Next one would be pseudonymity. In other words, privacy. Right? So even if someone can observe the activity of the wallet that you have or you're using, they won't be able to identify that that wallet belongs to you because your personal information is hidden, but your behavior is visible. So the things that you're doing, like the transactions that you're doing, will be visible via your wallet information. So that's good about Web 3.0. Now, what is the opportunity in Web 3.0, right? Now, the opportunity in Web 3.0, guys, is because blockchain technology is at the core of Web 3.0. Current web apps will require a blockchain upgrade if they want to play in Web 3.0. Now, if you want more information about Web 3.0, like the challenges, what are the opportunities, and what are the things that you want to know, like the complete guide for types of blockchain, what is DeFi, and everything like that, you can go ahead and check out Simply Learn. Link to this will be in the description of the video. And of course, if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that subscribe, click that bell, that way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.